Some people linger. They second guess. They look back. Not these signs. These zodiac signs don't beg, they don't chase, and they don't break when something ends. They leave when they're done, and they never regret it. Their silence isn't weakness, it's clarity, and when they walk away, it's final. Let's begin. Number 3, Sagittarius, the free spirit. Sagittarius gives you room to grow. But if you use that space to lie, disrespect, or shrink them, they're gone. They won't make a scene. They won't explain. They'll just vanish. Sagittarius knows there's more out there, and they refuse to stay where they're not seen, respected, or expanding. They don't walk away bitter. They walk away lighter. Number 2, Aquarius, the emotional minimalist. Aquarius feels things, but they don't live in them. They give you space to be yourself. But once you cross their inner boundary, they detach with terrifying ease. No rage, no drama, just disconnection. They don't carry regret because they move by principle, not impulse. Aquarius walks away when they know it's time, and they rarely, if ever, look back. Number 1, Capricorn, the self-reliant soul. Capricorn gave you more chances than they'll admit. They stayed longer than they should have. But once they decide it's over, it's over. No texts, no closure. Just distance. Capricorn doesn't need closure from you. They are their own closure. They move on with their life, their goals, their peace. And you'll be left wondering why they seem so unaffected. Truth is, they already made peace with letting you go long before they walked out. So, did your sign make the list? Or have you been left behind by someone who never looked back? If this one felt a little too real, like, subscribe, and check the description below. There are 2 free gifts waiting for you, no strings attached. Until next time, some goodbyes don't echo.